My espresso coffee machine broke and I need coffee. I'm going to make coffee on the stove, which is really easy. I'm gonna use the gas stove and maybe half a liter of water or so. Yeah, I think this is enough. Okay, the water is boiling. I'm gonna turn the gas a bit down. Just because it's boiling too hard. Just a bit. Okay. And now we're gonna add the coffee. This is just normal standard grind coffee that you buy from the supermarket. And for this amount of water I'm gonna put around 2 big spoons like this. Shit. Don't do that. Okay, seems like it was still boiling. It was still too hot. Ah, crap. Okay, that was a mistake. No, let's add the second spoon. Hopefully this time it's not gonna blow in my face. Yes, add it slowly. Damn. Okay. Okay, you have to be careful. Apparently every time it's too hot, the water goes out. Huh. Good to know. Huh. Like a volcano. Ah, look, it's still boiling. Turn it even lower. Nah. Yeah, it's probably enough. This was not really the way I intended to make the coffee, but well, it just happened. Now the stove is really a mess. Yeah, well, doesn't look as nice and clean as I would have wanted to, but let's see if the coffee is any good. Yeah. Now I know you don't want to listen any more advices from me, but this is very important to have. Of course, if you leave the pot to just settle down for a couple of minutes, basically the coffee will just go on the bottom. It will deposit there, and you can slowly pour some coffee in your mug. But I really prefer using this. It would be much faster. Of course, the finer pieces of coffee will still be in your mug, but like I said, they will be on the bottom. It smells like coffee. Now some sugar. I like to drink my coffee with milk, so I'm gonna prepare it a bit. This is organic milk, it's fresh milk from the cow, and I want to let it heat up a bit before I add it to my coffee. Not much, I'm not boiling it. Here's the warm milk. You can see it. It was not supposed to go down as it did, but I still think we have a good coffee, or pretty good coffee. Really hot, but very tasty. So it works, even without any coffee machine. Since coffee is so important for a lot of us, just use whatever you have, boil it, and there you go, you have coffee. Actually, I think the volcano made it even better than normal. Okay, stay awake. Stay awake.
Stay awake.